Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I just wanted to come on real quick and do a little video of opening of this Happy Meal. Oh my gosh, can you tell I have a 2-year-old grandbaby? Happy Mail, not Happy Meal. I wanted to film this and show you guys what Jen from Jen's Junk sent me. And I have not opened any of this. When I opened the package this morning, my grandbaby started screaming and squealing and said, "Missa, is that for me?" And so I knew I would have to wait until she took her nap before I could actually open it. I told her I would share some things with her, but I did not open it right then because I knew what would happen. So let's open and see what we got. Now I was talking with Jen one day, and we were talking about some journals that I'm about to work on. I don't think they're going to see this video, so I'll go ahead and mention it. It's actually for my cousin and her daughter. She's going off to school. These colors, give it away. She's going off to LSU. And I just wanted to kind of do something a little special for them. I want to do a journal for each of them and kind of include some of the same things in each journal, so she can take some things with mama or for mama, from mama, off to school with her. They can share things, back and forth, or whatever they want to do, however they want to do it. But anyway, let's open this up. I love this. I think I saw a haul where she opened this. Oh, this is cute. Some flowers and butterflies. So far, I've been doing real good at including butterflies in almost every journal that I make because my grandbaby loves butterflies, and it's just, they end up in there somehow. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look. That is gorgeous. I love these colors. Oh, that's pretty. This looks like she made this. I wonder how she did that. I'll have to ask. Oh, this is pretty. I thought she was just going to send me a couple of things from the way she talked, because I had mentioned that I was having trouble finding a lot of things to go. I want these to kind of be like a faith journal, and I was kind of having trouble finding very much stuff, or going through my stuff. I didn't really have a lot in the colors that I needed. So she said, "Oh, I'll send you some stuff." Well, this is not what I thought she was gonna do. Jen, this is so sweet. It's too much stuff. Oh, look how pretty. I love paper. I love these. Thank you, Jen. And now we have this one. This is gorgeous ribbon. Perfect. 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 Oh, look at this. Oh, goodness, it's 2 of them. Wow. Jen, you overdid it. Okay, a tiger paw. Wow. Did you make this? Jen, you'll have to comment and let me know what you made. Oh, look. Sorry if I'm going fast, y'all. Trying to beat the clock of the grandbaby waking up. I love that. Ruffles. Can't have too many ruffles, fabric ruffles. Oh, look. Did you make that? I don't know if I have that much patience. Look how pretty. There's more. Oh my goodness, I love all the fabric. I have been digging through all of mine, and believe it or not, I don't have a lot of purple for some reason. Oh, look. So pretty. Oh, more of these. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And one more. This is so generous. Oh, wow. Look at those. I hope I'm not holding this too close to the camera. Y'all, I'm trying to film and get better at doing this. I'm just filming this on my phone and just trying my best to upload this stuff. It takes forever for me to upload because I live in the country and our internet and everything is so slow. Cute. I like that. Wow, Jen. I know that I keep saying that. Nice. Too much. Just too much. It will all be used, and I appreciate it more. I love that. I appreciate it more than you will ever know. Oh, these are cute. Perfect for school. Did you dye these, Jen? I love that. Oh, look how pretty. No, you did not. Girl. Thank you so much. For doing this for me. These are so nice. Wow. Oh, cool. Very cool. I love all the scripture. Thank you. Oh, I love this dyed paper. This is awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Jen. Not what I was expecting at all. I appreciate it so much. And if you guys like this little video, go to Jen's YouTube. Check her out if you are not aware of her. I don't know how you couldn't be. But check out her YouTube and her Instagram and give her some love. And if you'll comment below, just leave me a heart, a yellow heart or a purple heart. I would appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. I think I only have like 75 subscribers, but I do seriously appreciate every one of them. And I'm trying to get used to doing this, uploading and talking and all that kind of stuff. And so hopefully it'll get better. I want to do some tutorials and things and show y'all some more journals and stuff that I'm working on. But anyway, I'll hush for now, and I hope y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.